That was Basil Brush. He appeared in our last episode. He is a fox and a favourite character on children's television in Britain. Every time he cracks a joke, he shouts, I have included a little picture of Basil in the file which downloads with this podcast. You should be able to see it on your iPod. Go away, Basil. This episode is not about you. It is about rebuilding London. About 50 people in Denmark, the Czech Republic and Britain have spent the last 6 months rebuilding London. Yes, they have built a completely new St. Paul's Cathedral, Tower Bridge, Buckingham Palace, Oxford Street, Canary Wharf, and about 50 other famous London landmarks. No, not the real London, of course. I am talking about a miniature model of London at the Legoland theme park at Windsor, which is just outside the real London. It is built entirely out of Lego. You know, the little plastic bricks that children use to build model buildings, cars, etc. The old model of London at Legoland had become dirty and discoloured. Also, it did not include some important new buildings. So the people at Legoland decided that they needed a new London, and after fitting together 10 million little Lego bricks, the new model is now ready. You can see it at Legoland from 25 March. Goodbye.